Hey guys, how's it going? It's Flatter Sage. I just wanted to make a quick video in regards to zucchinis and a little trick that I think I figured out. Alright, now most gardeners have heard of single stemming their tomatoes. It's a vining plant. It grows straight up. Clip the branches so it minimizes the amount of foliage and it more works on production of tomatoes. And that's the method I try to implement. It kind of didn't go so well over my dad's. It's just sprawled out completely because I wasn't able to get there for a week. So all that's just sprawled out completely, and there's still a bunch of tomatoes on it. But what I'm talking about today is single stemming zucchinis. And I don't really hear a lot of people talking about this. In fact, I didn't even know this was possible. And the only reason I'm suggesting this at all is because I have not, as of yet, been able to grow a zucchini on the ground. Which, crazy, right? I haven't been able to do that. For some reason, my zucchini plant prefers to climb up. And it's basically wrapped its way around my tomatillo and worked its way up. And it's producing fruit. Now, as of right now, it's not producing that many fruit. Really, my garden isn't really producing a whole lot of fruit as it is. It's just really enough for me and my roommate right now. But next season I plan on changing that and increasing my yields. But lately I've been noticing that the zucchini, like I said, it prefers to climb up. It produces a few fruits, but they're all decent size. Like, I got a zucchini this big from doing a single stem. Now, you only get about 2 of them at a time or so. At least in my garden you do. But to be honest, I didn't even know it was possible to vertically grow a zucchini. But my zucchinis have been preferring that, and I don't know if it's the variety of the plant itself, because I have a yellow zucchini plant growing, and so I don't know if it's that, or I don't know what it is. But I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to allow my zucchini plant to keep growing up. And it's interesting because I saw a couple of the leaves have powdery mildew, but yet the plant's still producing healthy fruit. So it seems to me like maybe it's coming out of that. Maybe the powdery mildew isn't as prevalent as it was. But I mean, I went by and I clipped off a bunch of the diseased leaves and stuff like that, and the temperatures, for the most part, are slowly starting to cool down. Oh. Right as I say that, it says my phone's starting to get warm. That's pretty funny. But yeah, I mean, vertically growing zucchinis. Go ahead and give it a try, guys. See what happens. See what you do. Like I said, I'm not able to grow too much fruit because I only have about 50 square feet of garden space in one of my gardens. And then I have a whole nother garden about 50 square feet. And the other garden I was at, I didn't plant too many plants, and I should have. But the one at my mom's is chock full of stuff. We got all kinds we got a massive polyculture going on in my mom's garden. So if you guys have a polyculture garden, you guys are growing zucchinis, and you want to experiment a little bit, experiment with vertically growing zucchinis. Give it a shot. I mean, they're climbing plant. They're a clinging plant. They have tendrils and all that stuff. So yeah, they're really good climbers too. So go ahead and give it a try. Anyway, that's all I got for this video so far. If you're not going to try this, at least try to grow one thing. That's all I stress. Grow one plant at the very least. Because I promise you, organically grown food, grown by your own hands, tastes way better than the bullcrap you get at the supermarkets and stores, which isn't even really food. It only looks like food. But anyway, I better end the video now before I go on a tangent about GMOs. Anyway, guys, I hope everyone's having a great day. I hope everybody people in Florida and the East Coast, I hope you guys are doing all right. I heard about the storm. And I hope and pray everyone's safe. And everywhere else in the world, I hope everyone's doing good. So, peace and love, guys. Take it easy.